This is the new 52 megapixel Light L16 camera. With 16 different lenses and one flat pane, it's set to be the world's most advanced mobile camera that could mean that leaving your DSLR and lenses at home for your next shoot. All its lenses lie at 45-degree angles across a flat pane, and every time you take a picture, 10 or more lenses capture the same scene from slightly different perspectives, resulting in images with noise reduced and sharp images. The L16 intelligently assesses the zoom level and chooses a combination of its 28mm, 70mm and 150mm modules in each shot. These individual shots are then focused together to create an incredibly high resolution 52 megapixel still image. So what else is special about the L16? You get 5 times continuous optical zoom from 28mm to 150mm, capturing every detail along the way for any post editing you need to do. With so many data captured, it generates a 3D map of the scene, allowing you to adjust the depth of field and focal plane after the shot. The L16 is light and compact enough to carry in your back pocket and leave your FT DSLR at home. Using its 5-inch Full HD touchscreen, you can access every setting that you need to do, and the rubberized non-grip leaves it steady to hold in hand. When you don't want to shoot long exposure shots handheld, there's also a tripod thread to mount it on as well. The L16 uses Android OS, and soon you'll be able to capture 4K videos with it also. Underneath the processor is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 820 processor working with Light's own ASIC chip. In terms of battery, you get a 4120 mAh battery built in. You'll be able to recharge using a USB-C, and it should last you up to 8 hours, Light quoted us. It also has GPS, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in as well. Once you've taken your pictures, there's also software that comes with it, so you'll be able to do any post editing that you want to do. So you can either change focal pane, you can adjust depth of field on the software. You can even zoom in and crop in and do whatever you want, because once you shoot in RAW format, you'll be able to do any post editing that you want to your pictures. So what about pricing and availability? The L16 camera is available on light.co for a hefty £1,850. And if you buy between now and 31st of March, you get 30% discount. As usual though, this is our hands-on, and we'll have a proper review for you once we get one in very soon. Thoughts are appreciated in the comments area below as usual, and more information will be in the description area. In the meantime, I'm Tommy, you're watching Gadgets Boy. Catch you in the next one.